In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new column Trello. Let's start right at the source. Open your browser and head to Trello.com. Once you're signed in, look for the Boards area. This is your hub for everything you organize in Trello. Click Boards to see what you already have. If you don't have a board yet, go ahead and create one so you have a place to practice. Any board will work for what we're about to do. With your board open, you're in the main workspace. In Trello, what many people think of as columns are actually called lists. So when we add a column, we're adding a list. On the far right of your board, click the option that says plus add another list. A title field appears. Type 123 for the list title and press enter. You'll see your new list appear immediately. Repeat that action to create a second list and give it a title as well. As a tip, use clear names like to do, doing, and done, so everyone understands the flow at a glance. If you decide a list isn't needed, you can remove it without losing your whole board. On the upper right of the list, click the three-dotted button to open list actions. Choose Archive this list. Archiving safely tucks it away so it's out of sight and out of your main workflow. It's not the same as deleting, so you can feel comfortable cleaning up your board without losing information forever. Next, let's add a card to your list. Cards are the tasks or items that move through your workflow. Click plus add a card at the bottom of any list, type a name like sample, and press enter to create it. You can add as many cards as you need in quick succession by typing and hitting enter again. Now try moving your card. Click and hold the sample card, then drag it to another list. This is how you track progress. You move cards across lists as they advance. To practice, drag it back to its original list and drop it where you want it. That's all there is to reorganizing. Just drag and drop. If you want to rename a list, click directly on its title. Let's say the one labeled 123, type a new name such as sample and press enter. Titles are fully editable, so don't hesitate to refine them as your process evolves. You can also control how much space a list takes up on your screen. In the top right of the list, click the icon with two arrows colliding to collapse the list. This hides its contents and helps you focus when your board gets crowded. Click that icon again to expand the list and bring everything back into view. Back in the three-dotted list actions menu, you can add color to a list. Pick a color you like to make that list stand out. Color coding is a simple way to group related lists or draw attention to high priority stages in your workflow. While you're in list actions, you'll see automation options. Trello's built-in automation can run helpful rules, like when a card is added to the list, choose that, then click plus add action to define what should happen automatically. Things like adding a label, assigning a member, or setting a due date. Select the options that fit your process. If you change your mind while exploring, close the panel and your board stays as it is. Finally, you can turn a well-structured list into a reusable template. Click the square icon at the bottom right of the list to start, then choose Create a new template. Once you save it, this list becomes a pre-made template you can use anytime. So building consistent boards and processes is faster and more reliable. And that's it. You've learned how to add a new column called a list in Trello, rename it, archive it, add and move cards, collapse and expand it, color code it, add simple automations, and convert it into a template you can reuse.